In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for task management. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently manage your tasks and enhance team productivity using this platform. First, we'll begin by creating a new board. Start by logging in to Monday.com. Once there, find the plus add button and select New Board from the options. Think about naming your board something that reflects its purpose, like Task Management, Team To-Do List, or Project Tracker. You have the choice to either start from scratch or use a pre-designed template from the Template Center, such as Project Management or Daily Team Tasks. These templates can serve as a great starting point if you're unsure where to begin. Next, let's set up columns on your board that suit your workflow. Customizing these columns is crucial in tracking the specifics of different tasks. Begin adding tasks by clicking plus New Item. Here, you should include key details such as the task name, the person assigned, the deadline, and its priority level. If your task has multiple components, you might find the sub-items feature useful. For instance, if your main task is a launch marketing campaign, you might have sub-items like writing a blog post, designing a banner, and scheduling social media posts. Once your tasks are added, organizing them into groups can make your workflow cleaner and more efficient. Consider grouping tasks by project, such as website redesign, by time frame with headings like this week, or by department like marketing. This way, you can collapse and expand groups as needed, maintaining a tidy board. Automating task workflows is a powerful way to save time and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Monday.com allows you to set up automations, such as notifications when a task status changes to done or when a due date arrives. To do this, click on Automate and then Add Automation. Explore existing automation recipes or customize your own to best fit your team's needs. Visualizing tasks from different perspectives can be very insightful. Monday.com offers multiple views, such as the default table view, Kanban view for agile workflows, calendar view to see tasks by due date, and timeline or Gantt view for tracking projects over time. You can switch between these views easily using the plus add view button at the top. Monitoring progress is crucial, and dashboards provide a high-level overview of your projects. Create a new dashboard and consider adding widgets like a progress bar to visualize completion, a workload widget to see team allocations, a timeline widget for upcoming deadlines, and a number widget to count completed tasks. Finally, fostering collaboration and communication is essential. Use the updates section on each task to share thoughts, attach files, or mention teammates, keeping everyone informed. You can also integrate Monday.com with tools like Slack and Teams to streamline notifications. Remember to regularly review and update task statuses and use filters to prioritize tasks by person, importance, or due date. Conducting a weekly review of completed tasks can help measure team performance and identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering task management on Monday.com, making your team's work more organized and effective.